Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga 7. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Yoga 7 can keep its charge, you're not alone. This is a common issue that often arises from a worn-out battery. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, such as unexpected shutdowns or even damage to other internal components. To get started with the repair, you'll need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a pair of tweezers, and of course, a replacement battery specific to the Lenovo Yoga 7. Now, let's proceed with the step-by-step repair process. First, power off your device completely and unplug it from any power source. Next, carefully remove the back cover by loosening all the screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Be gentle when prising the cover off with your plastic spudger to avoid damaging the casing. Once you have the back cover removed, locate the battery. It's usually situated at the center of the device. You'll notice that it's secured with screws and possibly adhesive. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws holding the battery in place. When you're removing it, be cautious of any cables that may be connected. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, gently disconnect the battery from the motherboard. You may need to use your tweezers for this step to avoid any accidental damage. Once it's disconnected, you can carefully lift the old battery out. Replace it with a new battery, ensuring it's positioned correctly and reconnect it to the motherboard. After securing the battery with the screws, make sure everything is tight but be careful not to over-tighten them. Now, before putting the back cover on, it's a good idea to power on your device to check if everything is functioning correctly. If it powers on and holds a charge, you're ready to close it up. Align the back cover and press gently until it snaps back into place. Reinsert all screws to ensure it's secured. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to avoid extreme temperatures and try not to let your battery drain completely too often. Keeping your software updated can also help prolong battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.